In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the volume profile visible range using a completely free method. This is a great tool for technical analysis, often used by traders to understand volume levels at different price points over a specific time period. It's incredibly useful for determining potential support and resistance areas on your trading charts. So let's dive into how you can set this up on your own platform. The first thing you want to do is head over to your super chart. Now, if you're already familiar with your charting platform, this step should be straightforward. Just navigate to the main charting page where you conduct your technical analysis. This is where the journey begins. Once you're there, the next step is to find and click on the Indicators tab. This button usually sits around the top of the interface, typically within the toolbar. Clicking on it will open a menu or a search bar where you can type in the name of the indicator you want to use. In the search bar, enter Volume Profile Visible Range. Now, why is this particular indicator important? Well, it allows you to see the volume traded at different price levels, which helps you gauge where the market participants place the most trades. This insight can provide you with a strategic advantage in identifying key price levels to watch for potential trade entries and exits. Once you've typed Volume Profile Visible Range into the search bar, you should see it pop up in the list of available indicators. At this point, what you want to do is click on the Volume Profile Visible Range option. This is what adds the indicator to your chart. This indicator will then display as a series of horizontal bars on your chart, providing a visual representation of volume against price over a visible range of your choosing. Now, the final step to complete this setup is to apply the indicator to your chart. You'll notice a button, typically labeled Apply or something similar, that needs to be tapped or clicked. This active application integrates the indicator fully into your chart, allowing you the opportunity to start analyzing the volume profile data immediately. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've successfully enabled the Volume Profile Visible Range on your charting platform for free. This tool should provide you with a new lens through which to view price action and hopefully enhance your trading decisions. Remember, always align technical tools like this with a comprehensive trading strategy for the best results. Thank you for following along, and happy trading!